Hello everyone. Today, I want to give you a quick overview of a few features that are included in the Microsoft Forms Pro 2020 Release Wave 1. Our goal is to make it easier for you to implement an end-to-end voice of the customer feedback solution. To do that, we've improved the survey capabilities to help you capture information more accurately and to improve your response rate. And we've improved distribution and reporting as well. You can now embed survey questions directly in the email to improve response rates and to track the status of your survey invitations. And you can access those survey responses directly when you're working with customer records in Dynamics 365. We've improved the question options with smiley ratings as an alternative to stars or numbers. Improved text validations using templates and regular expressions, and bulk translation with Excel spreadsheets. Well, let's see how this all works. Rating questions now include a smiley face option in addition to numbers and stars, and they're color-coded to match the different levels. Text validation now has a custom option where you can use regular expressions to validate the format. We recommend that you include an example of the input that you're looking for in your question to help your audience get it right. And you can also mark text questions for sentiment analysis. As another help for your audience, the new progress bar has been enabled by default, but you can turn it off. You can now translate the entire survey into multiple languages by downloading an Excel file, adding in translated versions of the survey, and then uploading it. Your participants will see translated versions based on the language and the country code in their URL request, or by selecting the language from the drop-down menu. In this release, we've also enabled you to embed survey questions directly into email to improve the response rate and to track the status of your survey invitations. And we support accessing survey responses directly when you're working with customer records in Dynamics 365, so you can easily drill down to the individual participant and question level. Well, let's see how this all works. When you send out the survey by email, you now have the option to embed the first question in that email to drive response rates. And when they click on the question, the survey will open. Now, if you created the survey in the same environment as your Dynamics 365, you can quickly look up the contracts directly from Forms Pro. Forms Pro then tracks the status of the email from sent to read, and the survey from started to responded once they submit the survey. In this release, we've also improved integration with Dynamics 365. When you send Forms Pro surveys to your Dynamics 365 contacts, Dynamics automatically tracks the survey status under the contact's activity timeline. There, you can view the full survey results from that customer, including any questions that were marked for sentiment analysis. You've seen a quick overview of a few features that are included in the 2020 Release Wave 1 of Microsoft Forms Pro. Our goal is to make it easier for you to implement an end-to-end voice of the customer feedback solution. As you saw, we've improved the question options and the survey distributing and reporting. For more information, use these specific links or go to the Release Overview Guide.